Welcome, my friends, to a journey of transformation and personal growth. Are you ready to unlock your desires and elevate your life to new heights? Well, you're in the right place. In this video, we're diving deep into the incredible power of Neville Goddard's 3-day manifestation technique. You see, with this technique, you have the ability to manifest your desired goals and create the life you've always dreamed of. Throughout this video, we'll explore the step-by-step process of the 3-day visualization technique and reveal strategies for enhancing your manifestation goals. We'll shine a light on the power of surrender and gratitude, showing you how these vital elements can amplify your manifestations and bring forth lasting results. By the end of this video, you'll have a profound understanding of Neville Goddard's manifestation techniques and the knowledge to apply them in your own life. Get ready to unleash your desires and make significant strides towards your true potential. Whether you're looking to manifest abundance, love, or success, this video will equip you with the tools and insights you need to make it happen. We'll discuss visualization exercises, mindset shifts, and practical tips that will propel you towards your desired outcomes. So if you're ready to embark on a transformative journey and take the next step towards creating the life you've always desired, then keep watching. Through Neville Goddard's guidance and our shared wisdom, you'll discover the keys to manifesting your dreams and living a life of fulfillment. It's time to awaken the manifesting powers within you. Embrace the possibilities. Embrace the power of Neville Goddard's 3-day manifestation technique. And let's embark on this incredible journey of transformation and personal growth together. Are you ready to co-create your reality? Then let's get started and let the magic unfold. Welcome to a world of manifestation possibilities. Get ready to unleash your desires and take your life to the next level. Now let's begin this incredible journey of transformation and personal growth. 3-day visualization technique. For manifesting desired goals, manifesting change is an exciting process that can be achieved through writing, visualization, and reflection. Inspired by Neville Goddard's teachings of the law of assumption and the law of attraction, this 3-day manifestation technique will help you unleash your deepest desires. To begin this journey towards transformation and personal growth, it is beneficial to write down a detailed description of your future situation or goals. Once written down, create symbolic representations of both your current circumstances and desired outcome by filling 2 glasses with water and labeling them accordingly. Be intentional in establishing an emotional connection with these symbols as you visualize what life could look like in its truest form. Close your eyes and take a moment to center yourself when engaging with these created symbols. When describing your ideal future, in writing or verbally expressing desires aloud to those around you, it's important to remain realistic, yet also mindful of potential limitations that may arise organically within life situations. Acknowledge progress being made on the road towards achieving goals by regularly checking back against initially set expectations in the desired situations section. Reflect on any patterns that arise from noting accomplishments achieved so far in terms of personal growth and understanding new skills obtained. This will help refine plans moving forward towards brighter visions for success in all desired areas. Allow inspiration while concurrently recognizing potential limits and challenges along the journey ahead. Hold on to hope during times when uncertainty strikes. Utilize self-reflection methods such as journaling thoughts and feelings throughout the duration of the process to gain clarity on the next steps needed to manipulate present environments. This will effectively bring the aforementioned written desired situation into greater realization over time. Allow yourself to fully embrace the emotions associated with your current circumstances and accept them without judgment. Reflect on any challenges, limitations, or negative patterns you no longer want to be a part of your life. Next, hold an empty glass in your hands and use it as a tool for visualization. Immerse yourself in the desired reality by engaging all of your senses and explore its infinite possibilities while feeling grateful for the potential transformation taking place within you. Visualize what this desired reality looks like envisioning it as if it were already happening, feeling all of its beauty and joy through sight, sound, smell, taste, or touch, however works best for you. Take action towards making this desired reality a reality. Pour the contents from the glass labeled current situation into the empty glass representing desired situations while visualizing it transforming from one state into another as if by magic. Feel empowered by this symbolic act of changing circumstances that will ultimately lead to positive change and growth. With each day, repeat these steps until manifesting becomes second nature. Neville Goddard believed that anything was possible through belief and faith combined with actionable steps taken daily. When engaging in the manifestation technique, it's important to build momentum and cultivate an energy flow towards desired outcomes. To do this, approach each session with openness and allow yourself to feel excitement, joy, and gratitude. Heightened emotions amplify energy, put forth, and magnetically draw desires closer to you. As part of the process, be sure to pay attention to any subtle shifts or signs that may come up as indicators that manifestation is in progress. Be open and receptive to these signs from the universe, such as synchronicities or coincidences aligning with desires. It's also essential during this period of time that your mindset remains positive throughout the process, while keeping thoughts focused on the desired outcome for the best results in manifesting desired reality. Stay patient during this process, recognizing it can take some time before effects are visible externally. Trust that the universe is conspiring on your behalf. Finally, remember to respectfully release expectations of how things should occur so that magic can unfold accordingly. Cultivate faith in the process of manifesting. Trust that it will bring about what you desire without having to control every step along the way. Maintaining a positive mindset throughout the process is key. Focus on the progress made towards the desired outcome, rather than getting distracted by doubts or fears that may arise along the way. Believe that it is within reach regardless. Exude feelings of gratitude, joy, and abundance while working towards manifesting dream outcomes. Living in a state of wish fulfillment translates into an empowered approach when faced with challenges along the journey. Finally, honor intuition about the direction for achieving the right outcomes. Connect deeply with your inner voice, communicating where you will ultimately be led. Surrendering is an essential part of the manifestation process, as it requires releasing any attachment to the outcome and trusting in the universe's divine timing. When we surrender our expectations of what should happen or when it should happen, we open ourselves up to receiving even greater blessings than we could have ever anticipated. Cultivating an attitude of gratitude can help shift our focus from scarcity to abundance, allowing an even greater flow of blessings into our lives. Expressing gratitude for what has been manifested and what is still in the process of manifesting sends a powerful message to the universe, demonstrating our trust in its abundance and openness to receiving it. Thank you for joining us on this incredible exploration of Neville Goddard's teachings and the transformative 3-day manifestation technique. We hope that this video has ignited a spark within you and inspired you to apply these principles to your own life. Now that you have a better understanding of the process, it's time to take action and embark on your manifestation journey. Remember, manifestation requires dedication and intentionality. Set aside a specific time each day to focus on your goals, allowing yourself to feel the emotions associated with your desires and maintaining a positive mindset throughout the entire process. We're here to support you every step of the way, so remember to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss any of our empowering content on manifestation and personal growth. Thank you again for being a part of our community and for joining us on this manifestation journey. Together, let's create a life filled with abundance, success, and fulfillment. Now, it's your turn to unlock your desires and manifest with intention. The power lies within you. Go out there and manifest the life of your dreams. Wishing you all the best on your manifestation journey. Keep believing, keep taking inspired action, and watch as your dreams become your reality. Until next time, stay empowered and keep manifesting.